morning students. Today I am going to continue exercise 4.1 fractional numbers. In my last lecture I taught you up to fourth sum. Now we are going to start the problem sums. Question number 5. See the question number 5. Page number 60. Take out page number 60. See the fifth question. A sweet seller used 3/4 cups of sugar for ice cream. So you will write a sweet seller used cups of sugar for ice cream. That is 3/4. Then he used for curds. Curd मतलब दही. How much? 2.5 cups. Then 1.5 cups for coffee. That is 1.5. Then for preparing halwa, cups for preparing halwa. How much he has used for halwa? 1/4 cups. See here, sweet seller used 3/4 cups of sugar for ice cream. Then for curd he used 2.5 cups. For coffee he is using 1.5 cups. And for preparing halwa 1/4 cups. How many cups of sugar did he use? Total cups of sugar he used. For total, what you have to do? Add. You have to add the all. 3/4 plus 1/2 plus 1/2 plus 1/4. Understood students? First you have to add this fraction, next fraction, this, then this, then this. How to add it? I already explained you in the first 4 sums. First step is you have to change it into improper fraction. 4 3s are 12 plus 3, understand it properly, 15/4. 2 2s are 4 plus 1, 5/2. 2 1s are 2 plus 1, 3/2. 4 2s are 8 plus 1, 9/4. Now we have to change it into like fractions. How we will change into like fraction? First take the LCM of the denominators. What is the LCM of denominator? That is 4. You can find it in your rough column. You can switch a rough column. All of you know how to take the LCM. Now see that 4 is the LCM. In 4 how many times? 1. 15 ones are 15. 2 how many times 4? 2 times. 5 2s are 10. 2 how many times 4? 2 times. 3 2s are 6. 4 how many times? 1. 9 ones are 9. Add the numerator. 15 plus 10, 25 plus 6, 31 plus 9, 40/4. That is 10. How many? What he has done? How many cups of sugar did you use? That is 10 cups. All of you understood this question? Yes. The notes I have already sent in the campus here. You can see it. Here only I will explain you the sums. Then you can note it from the campus here. Yes, next question. The same sums I won't explain. That you have to do it yourself. Ankush had some money. He gave 1/5 of the total money to Sonu, 2/3 of total money to Monu, and 1/10 of the total money to Ashmita. How many fractions of money was left with Ankush? Ankush gave money to Sonu. Question number 6. Ankush gave money to Sonu. How much did he give? How much fraction did he give? 1/5 of the total. Then 2/3 of the total to Monu. He gave to Monu. How much? 2/3. 2/3. And 1/10 of the total money to Ashmita. He gave to Ashmita. How much he gave to Ashmita? 1/10. Now what is the question? How much fraction of money was left with Ankush? Now see student, this much he has given to all. Total money he gave. First we will find total money he gave. How much money did he give? First we will add the 3. 1/5 plus 2/3 plus 1/10. In fraction, what is the total fraction? 1. Every time total fraction is 1. Because if denominator is 10, 10/10 will become 1. 5/5 will become 1. Total fraction is 1. So how much money left with him? Fraction of money left with him. Fraction of money left, that will be 1 minus, we have to add the 3 and subtract it from 1. How we will add? By taking the LCM of this. What is the LCM here? Take the LCM in the rough column. 5, 3 and 10. 5 here, 1, 3, 2. Again 2 outside. Then 3 outside. 5 to the 10, 10 3 is the 30. LCM is 30. See here, in 5, how many times 30 comes? 5 6 are 30. So 6 1s are 6. 3 table, how many times 30 comes? 10. 10 2s are 20. 10 table, how many times 30 comes? 3. 3 1s are 3. Add it. 1 minus 26 plus 3, 29/30. In denominator you can put 1. So see students, 30 is the LCM here. 30 is the LCM. Here one table, how many 30 times? 30 times. 31s are 30 minus 29. 1/30 is the answer. Got it all of you? You keep it in mind. Total fraction you have to suppose at 1. Total fraction is 1. Got it students? Come to next question. Subtract the sum of this from the sum of this. First we have to find the sum. 5 1/3 plus 9 2/3. First we have to find the sum here. 5 3 is the 15 plus 1, 16/3. 9 3 is the 27 plus 2, 29/3. LCM is 3. 16 plus 29. 45/3. That is 15. Now second is subtract the sum of 3 2/5 plus 4 1/10. Here also you have to find the sum. 5 3 is a 15 plus 2, 17/5 plus 10 4s are 40 plus 1, 41/10. And what is the LCM of this? 10 and 5, that is 10. In 5, how many times 10 comes? 2 times. 17 2s are 34. 10, how many times 10 comes? 1. 41 1s are 41. That is 75/10. You can write 7.5. Decimal 0, 1 number before you have to put the decimal. Now what we have to find? Subtract. From you have to keep first. That is 15 minus 7.5. That is 7.5. You can write 75/10 also. That is also correct. Got it students? Now come to the 8th question. A farmer had 100 kg of wheat. He sold this much out of the total weight. How much wheat is left? This you have to subtract. You can do it. You do it yourself. Try it. I have sent in the copy campus care also. You can see it. The height of a pole is 6/2/5 meter. A lizard climbed 3/3/5 meter of it. How much more does it have to climb? You have to subtract 6/2/5 minus 3/3/5. Same method by taking the LCM. Last question. Jackson had rupees 150. Total money he had is, here I will give you the hint of this question. Jackson had how much? Rupees 150. Then he gave to his brother. He gave to his brother. How much did he give to his brother? 65 3/4. Got it? Then 35.5 to his sister. He gave to his sister. How much money did he give to his sister? Rupees 35.5. Then rupees 22 1/4 to his mother. He gave to his mother. How much money? To his mother. How much did he give to his mother? 22 1/4. First of all, here you have to find total money he gave. Total money he gave. You have to add the 3. These 3 you have to add. 65 3/4 plus 35 1/2 plus 22 1/4. We have to find how much money does he have now. Money left with him. Money left with him. How much money is left with him? Total money was he having rupees 150. From that you have to subtract it. 65 3/4 plus 35 1/2 plus 22 1/4. First you solve this by changing it into improper fraction, then take the LCM. Then you have to subtract it. Understand, students? I have completed 4.1 exercise. After this we will start exercise 4.2. Very easy exercise. Listen it. Today only I will explain exercise 4.2 because it's all parts you are having in your exam, and next month you will be having first term exam. 4.2 question number 1. Multiply the following. See here, 1/2 multiply by 3. Now first step is, here you can do the cancellation numerator with the denominator. If there is no, it is not divisible, then multiply the numerators. 3 1s are 3, 2 in the denominator, it will come as such. This is the answer. See here, third sum 3/4 into 2. See here students, now 2 is divisible by 4. 2 1s are 2, 2s are 4. What is left? 3 1s are 3. 2 is left alone, 3/2. Numerator cut with denominator. Don't cut numerator with numerator, it is wrong. Now next question, very easy exercise. 5, 9/, I will not do all the sums, it's very easy, practice yourself at home, into 15. See here, what is 25 5s are? Multiply in the rough column, I think 125. 25 5s are 125 plus 9. 134 over 25 multiply by 15. Now see student, this is not divisible by this, but this is divisible by 25. 5 3s are 5 5s are. Now simply multiply. 4 3s are 12, 1, 3s are 9 and 1 10, 3 1s are 3 plus 1 402 over 5. You can multiply here also. 402 over 5. If you want, you can change it into mixed fraction. How you will change? See here, 402 5. 5 8s are 40. 2 here. With this 2 5 is divisible? No, 0. So answer is 82 over 5. Got it? Now see if both the portions are given. Question number 4. 13 over 18 into 9 over 13. See here students. This 13 and this 13 are cutting here. Both are divisible by 13. 9 ones are, 9 twos are. So 1 ones are 1, 2 ones are 2. This is the answer. Very easy exercise. 5 1 over 3 multiply by 5 over 6. First step is we have to change into mixed improper fraction. 5 3s are 15 plus 1 16 over 3 into 5 over 6. 2 3s are 2 8s are. Now we cannot cut these 2 3. Both are in the denominator. 8 5s are 40. 3 3s are 9. 9 4s are 36. 4 over 9. Similarly for 3 also you have to do same way. 3 over 7 into 1 2 over 9 into 2 over 3. 3 over 7 multiply by 9 ones are 9 plus 2 11 over 9 into 2 over 3. 3 3 cancels. 11 2s are 22. 9 7s are 63. With this I am completing 4.